Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
So today, my little artists are going to make one decorative table runner. So this activity, uh, their aesthetic skills, creative skills, and fine motor skills will be enhanced. And this they can use this activity, this runner they can use Diwali or any other celebrations. So what is the material required, Ashvi?
The material required is 2 circular cutout, 2 big diya and 2 small diya. This laces, jute cloth
Cardboard.
and this cardboard.
What about the ice cream sticks?
And
What-
these are the
What you are going to make with ice cream sticks? You will make a swastik. Okay. So what are you doing?
I'm painting it brown.
Brown. You are making brown centerpiece.
Yes. And we are making orange.
Orange. What about you?
I will paint orange.
And what about you?
I just finished the painting of the big one.
Big. And which color you have chosen?
I've chosen brown and orange.
Brown and orange. You are taking the combination. Okay. What about
I'm also taking the
combination? Okay.
No, but I am taking
Okay.
orange.
You will think it over. Later on, you will decide. After making
Yes.
you will decide the base color. So Simran, what are you doing now?
Now we are decorating our diya plates. And I have decorated with big pearls. On the plate I have used big pearls and mirrors, and on this, the diya, I have used small pearls, and now we will paste it like this.
What about the joint of 2 diyas? What you have done?
We can paste this.
This is the joint of 2 diyas, okay?
Yes.
And here you have pasted the lace. And now you will paste it like this on it. What about you?
I have decorated with pearls and mirrors.
Mirrors. And you orange. And here we are decorating.
I've
Okay.
already done the decoration.
Why you have done the half?
Because I like this.
Okay, you like the half one. Okay. What
And
about you? You are decorating the full?
Yes. I'm pasting the drop mirrors. See?
On the swastik.
This was.
And I have made extra these flowers on the swastik and
Ends of the swastik.
yes.
I have decorated my diyas and the swastik with the help of Dipti ma'am.
Thank you, Dipti ma'am. Very good. Very beautiful, Dipti ma'am.
Thank you.
Nice idea.
I've made an
Flower design on the diya.
Where?
okay.
Yeah. On both the diyas.
Yes.
Okay. So are you happy with your activity?
Yes. Man, I have done.
Okay. Orange अच्छा लग रहा है.
Fabulous work. I created this beautiful festive decoration with my own hands. I really enjoyed this. Thank you, Sunita. We transformed simple material into this festive art. Thank you, ma'am. This art is very beautiful.
Our hard work and creativity is clearly visible. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, dear. Start.
We have learned teamwork and artistic skills. This shows our patience, imagination, and dedication. Thank you, Sunita ma'am.
Welcome, my dear. Love you.